Hello and welcome all of you to this class. In the earlier class, we completed up to fifth sum. Now we shall take up the sixth sum. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. 6 by 13 multiply that one with the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 16? Of course, minus is minus. We don't need to change. 7 by 16 becomes 16 by 7. That's all. So, with the reciprocal of this one, we have to multiply. Minus remains as minus in the product. 6 16s 96 by 13 sevens 91. Simple. Likewise you can do. Next sum. Tell what property allows you to compute this one. 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. To calculate the value of this expression, the first one is like this. We have written like this to compute its value. Okay. What is the property involved in writing like this? If you notice, say for example, the first one is A into B into C. Think like this. This is A, this is B, this is C. And how this is written? A into B into C. You can see that these two are equal by one property. What is that property? Associative law under multiplication. The operation is multiplication. So you can call it as associative law under multiplication, or you can say property. Associative property under multiplication. This one you have to mention. Okay. Eighth question. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8? Why or why not? So given number is minus 1 by 8. What is its value? Let us see. 8 ones 8 plus 1, 9 by 8, but keep minus. Now, if 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of 9 by 8, the product should be equal to 1. Let us check that one. Minus 9 by 8 into, what is the given one? 8 by 9. So multiply that one by 8 by 9. The given number is 9 by 8, minus 9 by 8. We are checking with 8 by 9 whether it is multiplicative inverse or not. So minus 9 by 8 is multiplied by 8 by 9. What happens? Let us see. 9 get cancelled, 8 get cancelled. Answer is minus 1. Now see, the product is not equal to plus 1. Plus 1 is the multiplicative identity. If you multiply a number by its multiplicative inverse, the product should be equal to multiplicative identity, that is 1. Then only you can say 1 is the multiplicative inverse of the other. So 8 by 9 cannot be the multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 8. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3? Why or why not? The given number. What is the given number? 3 1 by 3, that is equal to 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Next, what is 0.3? 0.3 is equal to 3 by 10, you can write. Take 3, after point there is one digit, so keep 1 0. That is, after 1 you keep 1 0. to turn this decimal into a rational number. Now let us see the product of these two. 10 by 3 into 3 by 10. 10 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. The result is 1. The result is multiplicative identity. That is 1. So we can say since the product is 1, we say 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Right. 10th question, you see there are some bits in it. 10th question, write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Remember children, reciprocal of a number means if 2 is given, its reciprocal is 1 by 2. If 3 is given, its reciprocal is 1 by 3. But for which number you cannot write like this? For 0, can you write its reciprocal as 1 by 0, which is not there. So you cannot have 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is an undefined quantity. So you can say 0 is the correct answer. 0 is the correct answer because you cannot write its reciprocal as 1 by 0. If you want to write it, its reciprocal is 1 by 0, which is not defined in mathematics. Okay? So 0 is the rational number that doesn't have a reciprocal. Next bit you see. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. And here you see, except 1 and minus 1, the rest. For example, if you take 2, its reciprocal is 1 by 2. If you take 5, its reciprocal is 1 by 5. They cannot be equal. But 1, for example, if you take its reciprocal is 1 by 1, which is again 1. So 1 is such a number. Next, minus 1 is another one. Minus 1, reciprocal of minus 1 is again 1 by minus 1 or minus 1 by 1. There you understand that 1 and minus 1 are the two rational numbers which are equal to their reciprocals. What is the reciprocal of 1? 1 by 1. What is the reciprocal of minus 1? Again minus 1. That's all. Minus 1 by 1 means again it is minus 1. So you can easily understand it. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals are 1 and minus 1. Very important bit. The rational number that is equal to the negative. So which number can be like that? If you take 2, its negative is minus 2. They are not equal. Any number you take, its negative cannot be equal. But only one such rational number is there, that is 0. What is the negative of 0? Minus 0. Minus 0 is nothing but 0. So you can say 0 is the only number, only rational number that is equal to its negative. Okay? Next sum. 11th sum. Fill in the blanks. 0 has dashed reciprocal. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0, which is undefined. That means 0 has no reciprocal. That's why you write it has no reciprocal. 0 has no reciprocal. And this one is also discussed in the earlier sum. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. 1, its reciprocal is 1 again, and minus 1 is the other one whose reciprocal is again minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 are the two numbers whose reciprocals are again 1 and minus 1. The reciprocal of minus 5 is, what is the reciprocal? Reciprocal means don't change the sign. Write the same sign. Simply write 1 by 5. If it is 2 by 3, write 3 by 2. That's all. Minus 1 by 5. Next question you see, fourth bit. The reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0, is 1 by x. Its reciprocal is x. If you want to know how, let us do a little bit rough. Reciprocal means 1 by the given number. That is equal to 1 into x by 1. That is equal to x by 1. That is equal to x. So, the reciprocal of x is 1 by x. The reciprocal of 1 by x is x. Okay. Why this x is not equal to 0 given? If x is equal to 0 given means the first one itself cannot be defined. 1 by 0, which is not defined. Fifth bit. The product of two reciprocal numbers is always a dash. Any two reciprocal numbers, if you take and multiply, the product should be a rational number again. Any rational number it comes. It is not much to think. Take whatever you want. See, for example, 2 by 3, 1 by 5, multiply them. 2 into 1, 2. Likewise, 5 into 3, 15. So all this comes. That means again it is a rational number. Last one you see. The reciprocal of a positive rational number. Any rational number you take, for example, for a positive rational number is 2 by 3. For example, if you take 2 by 3, what is its reciprocal? 3 by 2. That means it is a rational number again. So, you can say a positive rational number. Since the given one is a positive rational number, the reciprocal will also be a positive rational number. So, with that we complete exercise 1.1. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever I post a video for you, it appears for you.